share with you. Hello everyone. Today is 19th of November, year 2021. It's a lovely evening in Istanbul. Of course, the weather is getting cold, so beware, my friends. Our topic is Portal to English 1, page 36. This is the second video for page 36. We will be talking about the vocabulary. We have get up, have a shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, go to school, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, get home, do homework, and go to bed. This is our page, and we are going to talk about the vocabulary and try to make some sentences. I hope you are ready, so let's start. Vocabulary is our primary goal today. This is the vocabulary part in your book. As you can see, highlighted section. So, the section is 3A, vocabulary, listen and repeat. So, let's repeat. Get up, have a shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, go to school, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. Repeat after me. Get home, do homework, go to bed. This is the general vocabulary for Module 3A. These are the words, and we are going to try to have a glance at them. Now I am asking you, what was the verb for that activity? Can you tell me? What's that? What is the action? Yes, very good. At the boys. Brush my teeth. Very good. I brush my teeth. We can come up with an example and some more examples. Please think of an example yourself. Before going to the next slide, let's repeat. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. Very good. Now let's look at this example. My sister brushes her teeth after breakfast. Yes? Now, as you see in the third person singular, this is the third person singular, we have the ES for the verbs ending with H. Now, let's repeat together. My sister brushes her teeth after breakfast. Very good. Repeat, brush my teeth. Now, let's think about this activity, and please think about the activity and what is the activity, what is the action, what is the verb related to that picture, of course. What was the verb? What was the action? What is the verb related to that picture? Yes, exactly. Do homework. Repeat, do homework. Now, let's think of some more examples. Let's make sentences. I do homework. Let's repeat. I do homework. Now, let's go to another example. I do my homework. Now, let's repeat. I do my homework. Very good. Now, let's read the sentence. I do my homework daily. Repeat, I do my homework daily. Think of some more examples. Let's make sentences. My brother does his homework every day. Now let's repeat. My brother does his homework every day. Very good. Think of another example. My brother does his homework every day. The original verb is do homework, but when we use it with the third person singular like he, she, it, or my brother, do homework becomes does homework. Now you make a sentence. You give me an example, please. I get home at 4:30 and do my homework. Let's repeat. I get home at 4:30 and do my homework. Very good. So, I want you to write more examples for the verbs you have seen here. So, thank you very much for participating, listening, repeating, and making sentences. Thank you very much. So, until the next video, have a nice day. Until then, bye.